The London Sunshine Ice Maker, made of finely polished stainless steel, which makes it corrosion resistant and a welcome addition to any kitchen. The unit comes with a translucent top view window to monitor the ice making process and ice levels. It has a 2-quart tank which enables the machine to make up 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. Filling the ice bin takes 60 to 70 minutes and produces about 600 grams of ice within the hour. The unit also comes with a drainage hole and plug, allowing easy water removal and cleaning. Its evaporator and handy ice shovel is made of hardy plastic. The ice maker is powered by a rigorous R600A compressor with a cooling fan that keeps it cool at all times. At the top of the unit is the control panel with the lights indicating when the tray is full, when to add water, and the on and off switch for making ice. It also comes with a handy ice scoop, an instruction manual, and an extra drainage plug. To begin the ice making process, simply add the water to the chamber, which again has a 2-quart capacity. One thing is to ensure that the water does not exceed the ridges and flow into the ice tray. Then insert the ice tray, lower the lid, and turn the ice maker on. Then in approximately an hour, the tray will be filled of bullet-shaped cubes. So after that intro, guys, in my opinion, I really like the ice maker and I think it's well worth the money. And below is a 10% discount code if you're so inclined to buy it. It will produce more than enough ice for the average family, but a couple of things to note are, it's not a freezer, it's an ice maker. Meaning it doesn't keep the ice frozen, but rather keeps reproducing it. You can leave the unit on for 24 hours a day like I do, and I always have a full tray of ice that you can scoop into. But it keeps recycling the ice as it melts and not necessarily keeps it frozen. But because I'm an ice freak, here are some of the other things you can do with it. The first thing I did was make up a few loads of ice, put it in a Ziploc bag, zip it shut, and put it in the freezer. I made 2 or 3 of these bags, and I always have ice on hand, which is super easy, convenient, and who knows, I could become an ice dealer. Another thing I did with my Sunshine Cubes, that's what I'm going to call them now, is put them in my ice crusher. I'm not sure if this company has an ice crusher, but I would love if they let me know if they do. Then just simply crush them up. And you can make smoothies or whatever, but in this case I made some Halo Halo. Simply by adding my Halo Halo mixture to a cup, putting that crushed ice in, making sure I got lots of it because it is a hot day. Followed by a good scoop of ube ice cream. Then spoon some evaporated milk over the top. And there you have it, our Filipino Halo Halo from the London Sunshine Ice Cube Maker. And of course, my friends, there are hundreds of other applications for ice cubes.